The Bugatti W16 Mistral and the Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster are in a league of their own when it comes to open-top hypercars. At this year's Monterey Car Week, among the debut of many unique supercars and hypercars, two of the most iconic names in the automotive industry also revealed the roadster versions of their respective hypercar coupes. Of course, we are talking about Bugatti and Hennessey, which showcased the W16 Mistral and the Venom F5 Roadster, respectively. Both these million-dollar engineering masterpieces have been introduced with a similar intention: to be the world's fastest open-top production car, with the internal combustion engines making way for electric powertrains. These two roadster hypercars will hold a significant position in the history of automobiles. So let's take a closer look at the Bugatti W16 Mistral and the Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster to see what each brings to the table. Bugatti Mistral marks the end of the W16. For Bugatti, the W16 Mistral marks a significant milestone. This hypercar is essentially the last to be made by the brand, with a W16 engine. Now owned by Rimac, it is clear that the future of this company is electric. The Mistral, in truth, is the roadster version of the Chiron and comes with the same W16 engine that is also available in its Super Sport 300 Plus version. No changes have been made to this 8.0-liter 16-cylinder motor, and as a result, it continues to produce 1578 horsepower. It sends its power to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Bugatti hasn't released the official 0 to 60 mph figures, but it says that the Mistral can reach a top speed of 260 miles per hour. Despite being based on the Chiron, the W16 Mistral comes with its unique design elements. Its exterior visual attributes are inspired by special edition Bugattis like the Divo and the La Voiture Noire. Apart from the bespoke headlights and the X-shaped taillights, another highlight of the Mistral is its two ram air intakes that sit right behind the cabin. Made from carbon fiber, they are designed in such a way as to support the whole weight of the car in case of a rollover. The cabin of the Mistral is identical to the one we see on the Chiron. It gets the same design for the dashboard and all the other components, such as the instrument cluster, center console, and steering wheel. In addition, the cabin is adorned with high-quality materials such as lightweight titanium, aluminum, and blemish-free leather, which is made to last 100 years. Bugatti is only going to produce 99 examples of the Mistral. Deliveries of these are expected to start in 2024. Priced at an eye-watering $5 million, the entire production of the W16 Mistral has already been sold out. With this car marking the end of the W16 era for Bugatti, it is essential to note that after its production, the brand will move to fully electric models. However, under the ownership of Rimac, it will likely continue to stun us all with equally thrilling and record-shattering hypercars. The Venom F5 Roadster promises to break records. As the name suggests, the Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster is the open-top version of the brand's F5 hypercar, and hence it deploys the same powertrain as the coupe without any alterations. The 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine in the F5 Roadster produces 1817 horsepower. Unlike the Mistral, however, it does not get a dual-clutch transmission or all-wheel drive. Instead, the F5 Roadster makes do with a single-clutch automatic transmission that sends all the engine's power to the rear wheels. Official 0 to 60 miles per hour times of this hypercar are also yet to be revealed. However, Hennessey says that this car has been designed to reach a maximum top speed of 300 miles per hour. Hennessey says that the F5 Coupe was designed in mind that there would be a convertible version soon. So the Roadster's roof has been re-engineered and now comes with removable panels made from carbon fiber composites. These come with 4 quick-release bolts in combination with high-strength latches, which are designed to withstand the tremendous force of the wind when the hypercar is traveling at high speed. The F5 also comes with a glass panel that allows you to view its monstrous V8 engine. The F5 Roadster also comes with unique wheels forged from aluminum alloy, since the F5 Coupe was designed with a Roadster in mind. Hennessey says that only minor adjustments were required to make the Roadster's chassis as stiff as its coupe sibling. Unlike the coupe, whose production was limited to 24 units, the Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster will have a limited run of just 30 units. The production of this hypercar is set to commence at the end of this year at the Performance Brands Texas facility. Additionally, Hennessey has priced the Venom F5 Roadster at a staggering $3 million, more than its coupe version, which retails at $2.1 million.